So I wanted to come on here real quick. I'm not going to take up too much of your time and remind you that I'm going to be doing a live video tutorial, a very crafty video tutorial over at the Craft Stash, and I'm going to be directing you to the Craft Stash UK Facebook page, and you will find a link to it in the description area of this video. And I've been getting a ton of questions as far as the American time because it is scheduled for 7 p.m. UK time, which is GMT, and so translated to American times, here we go. If you live in California or you go by Pacific Standard Time, it is at 11 a.m. today. If you live in Texas or follow the Central Standard Time, that is 1 p.m. this afternoon. And if you follow the Eastern Standard Time or you live in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, we're talking 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So that is happening today. I hope to see you there. Oh gosh, I am so super excited and I have to prepare. So see you then. Bye. I'm so nervous.